This endorsement represents a pivotal moment for the Caribbean, as no Secretary General has ever hailed from the region, despite CARICOM comprising 44% of the OAS membership. As Suriname's Minister for Foreign Affairs, International Business and International Cooperation, Minister Ramdin has demonstrated exceptional leadership in addressing the pressing issues of governance, development, human rights, democracy, and security across the Western Hemisphere. His extensive experience navigating the complex realities faced by governments in Latin America and the Caribbean uniquely positions him to lead the OAS during this critical juncture. Minister Ramdin is committed to reforming the OAS in collaboration with its member states, tackling financial and administrative challenges, and ensuring the organization remains relevant and impactful. CARICOM Caucus believes Minister Ramdin's election would not only mark historic recognition of the Caribbean's contributions, but also bring visionary leadership, diplomatic expertise, and a renewed sense of purpose to the OAS. They urge all OAS member states to support his candidacy, asserting that his leadership would strengthen the organization and benefit the entire Western Hemisphere. Tiana Cole reporting for the HGP Nightly News.